Hey everybody, this is Time Freedom Dream Lifestyle Passive Residual Income While You Sleep as a pro network marketing coach. Danny Zen coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. Listen up, this is going to be a very, very short video going over some almost a handful of recent small successes. And for those that are wannabe entrepreneurs, pay attention. This is a Saturday afternoon. I'm going to go over some sales that I made for one of my part-time home-based big business systems opportunities. It's got a little bit of leverage since you can sponsor or recruit other affiliates to earn override commissions. This is with the hypochlorous company of which I'm an affiliate with. And let me just show you the recent results, okay? By the way, the mission for the hypochlorous company is to rid the world of toxic cleaning chemicals. They offer the world's first both USDA certified organic and Environmental Protection Agency registered line of safe, non-toxic disinfectants and sanitizers that's about 120 times more powerful at destroying germs than straight bleaches, yet it's just made of three simple ingredients: water, salt, vinegar, and a little bit of electricity. It's even something our white blood cells naturally makes to fend off bad pathogens, even used during World War I to treat wounds in soldiers, and even is used by some major airlines to defog their planes in between flights. You can view a list of 35 financial and health benefits by becoming my hypochlorous company customer and or affiliate on my team. Currently shipping to all 50 states and Canada and Mexico to help us to disrupt the cleaning industry. You can view this document by visiting any of the links that you see here: tinyurl.com/disrupt the cleaning industry, or tinyurl.com/passive and residual income. Let me make sure I'm still sharing my screen, by the way. Okay, so yeah, either of those two links. If you can't visit that document on cloud storage, just leave me a voicemail at my landline number at 786-441-2727. Again, that's 786-441-2727. And to have better indoor air quality and also offer products for your pets, your dental office, even for your pool or jacuzzi spa if you have one with our inline hypochlorous generator. Leave me a voicemail again at this number, 786-441-2727. And you can also leave me a voicemail if you would like a quote for the pool and or spa jacuzzi generator item. Okay, and leave it at that number, or you can leave it at my cell phone that you see here, 305-297-9360. Again, 305-297-9360. Currently have 3 fulfillment centers, with our largest one being outside Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And if you happen to be outside the country, like Canada, Mexico, you can call me at my toll-free line that you see there, 1-800-250-8975. Again, 1-800-250-8975. Okay, so this is a small success, by the way. Let me show you. Let me make sure I'm still share screen. Over the weekend, at least last weekend, this past weekend, made a sale to a lady, Cheyenne Cox. Although this is nothing to brag about, this is actually the whole total sales amount, and I get 25% commissions on that. That's pretty generous, I think. 25% on personal sales commissions, and 7 and 3% override commissions on the sales of your personally sponsored hypochlorous company affiliate downlines. Okay, so let me share steering. So this was to Cheyenne Cox back on Sunday, April 19th. Next one, small success, was to a Megan Jarvis. This one also just under $15 back on April 18th. Then let's see here, 1540 to Margaret Leman back on April 9th. And the other one is Holly Springer back on April 3rd. Okay, so like I said, this is not even barely enough for money for commissions for lunch, but it still shows my consistency, bringing results. It's not easy being an entrepreneur, but it's worth it to pay the price. Eventually, I'll be like a bamboo. Bamboo doesn't grow for the first, 8, 12, whatever years, and then the 13th year or so, it shoots up, literally grows like 8 feet in one day or something, is supposedly the story. I don't know how true that is. But anyways, so just persevere, make a decision to be a big business systems owner. Never, ever, 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 ever quit. You got that? A lot of you want to be network marketers, have definitely checked out, lost touch with your upline, didn't make a decision, your why wasn't, that makes you cry, wasn't clear, whatnot. So, it's worth it. Pay the price. Okay, eventually it'll sprout. Be in it for the long haul. Have a long-term vision, and do not think short-term. You got it? So I hope this inspires you guys on a Saturday afternoon. This is what it takes. It is not easy, but it's worth it. You're either going to work for an entrepreneur or be an entrepreneur. So make the decision, pay the price up front, sacrifice within means, okay? And then eventually pay off so you don't have to retire on 40 years of your income, do the 40-40-40 rule, work 40 years of your life for 40 years for somebody else, and just retire on 40% of what wasn't even enough in the first place. You got it? Okay. So if this doesn't resonate with you, by the way, I just want to quickly show some benefits, because this is really, I never in a million years that I think about that I think I'd be crazy about something, like a cleaning product, but it's very noble mission. Okay, you're going to be helping people save on their health and save on swimming pool, jacuzzi, spa chlorine. You can also get a discount if you just want to be my customer by entering my code HOWTODIEOFNOTHING, all letters, HOWTODIEOFNOTHING, when you check out on our main e-commerce site, and that's tryhypo.com, okay? TRYHYPO. If you would like to be invited to become a free affiliate on my team, there's no sales quota, no personal monthly purchase, no auto ship, none of that. Very easygoing, relax, okay? Just leave me a voicemail either at the 305-297-9360 number, or the my cell phone, although I don't text despite what it says there, 305-297-9360. Again, 305-297-9360. Be sure to include your full name, your best email address, along with a contact phone number so I can follow up, make sure you got the invite, okay? If this doesn't resonate with you, you can view some other more than a handful of part-time home-based big business systems opportunities towards the bottom of my How to Own Your Life document at either this link, tinyurl.com/I want freedom now, or tinyurl.com/more hammock time. Okay. If you don't hear from me in a timely manner, you can reach out to my hypochlorous company affiliate sponsor, Ms. Lori Gagan, on her Utah mobile, which is listed at hold on, I'm gonna pull it up here on the screen. At there, and that's her email as well. Her cell phone is 219-789-7180. Again, 219-789-7180. Stay tuned as I'm getting some details on their fogger that actually Lori just bought 2 of, and she tested it out on her new Sarasota condo in Southwest Florida. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be amazing, a must-have if you're in the mold remediation sector. Okay, and so that's it, guys. Short and sweet. Make again decision to become a big business systems owner and to recondition your thinking about how to earn money by having a mindset shift. Be sure to watch the videos on my about Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant concept video at least 100 times. Okay, since maybe hyperinflation and the cost of living is sky high, as you guys already know. I don't have to tell you. And then also just briefly some highlights. This thing is amazing. The active ingredient is 200 parts per million of hypochlorous acid. Even though it's got the word acid in it, it's less acidic than a glass of orange juice, okay? And we've got the patent on it that makes it shelf stable for at least 1 year. Again, it's USDA certified organic and EPA registered. This is my shortened hypochlorous company affiliate discount link. You can share with others. That's bit.ly/tryhypo, TRYHYPO. They even have products for pets, even horses. Okay, you can actually view it's also a proven COVID-19 and all variants of COVID killer, a proven mold and mildew killer. You can view the COVID-19 test results on this link that you see here, linktree/safe sanitizer, okay? linktr.e/safe sanitizer to not only save your health, but maybe your financial health and actually look forward to Mondays instead of dreading them, okay? Anyways, that's it, guys. I look forward to getting your email. Please by the way, forward me a copy of your order confirmation email so I can ensure your order ships out ASAP. And we even have products for skincare. This is the USDA certified organic certification, by the way. This is EPA registration. Okay, with it's issued with an unconditional issuance. That's pretty rare, actually, because you don't have to wear any personal protective equipment like mask, gloves, hazmat suit and all that, respirator, okay? And so it's very, very rare. What else? Let's see here. And it's a huge industry. I think, even the commercial home, residential, and commercial janitorial companies. They actually employ over a million. There's actually over 1 million janitorial service businesses. Wow, I didn't know that. That was employees. But yeah, look at that. Okay. And approximately 7 million units of cleaning products and sanitizers have been sold since 2020. This ended, I'm not sure. You can visit this link here to get the full details on where the stats came from, okay? And let's see here, what else? So yeah, it's a USA commercial cleaning revenue, 47.5 billion. The USA commercial cleaning industry market size is 80 billion. I'm sure none of them have even heard of a hypochlorous company, let alone hypochlorous acid. Okay, this is a game changer, guys. You guys need to get on board. It's easy to sell. Okay, and soon artificial intelligence will be slaughtering, if not already, is slaughtering millions, if not billions, of jobs. Okay, and this is a fun, cool 10 hypochlorous acid facts that you can read at your own leisure. Okay. And again, it's more effective than bleach. And let's see here, what else? The chemical name is HOCl. It's been around since World War One again, but we've made it to be shelf stable. Okay, game changer, even proven against MRSA, E. coli, Salmonella. If you are a restaurant in the food service business, you absolutely need to get this. Okay, show your commitment to the safety and health, the health and well-being of your staff and your patrons. Okay. Every single industry can benefit, all verticals as far as I'm concerned, okay? But especially the health, dental, medical, food service, airlines like I mentioned, even cruise ships could use this, that's for sure. And this is a flyer for their drop-in inline pool and spa jacuzzi generator, okay? And it'll kill about over 99.9% of microorganisms in your pool, viruses, bacteria, and all that. Okay, complete game changer, guys. Get on board. I look forward to at least getting your order confirmation email if you're not excited about becoming a big business systems owner, having a business that you own instead of it owning you. Stop trading precious time for money. Have leverage. Okay, and build your own dreams versus somebody else's. So there you go, guys. These are all the benefits compared to other, some of them pretty harsh, like quantum ammonium, what is it called? Chlorides or something like that. I don't even know what it is. But anyways, yeah, you don't have to be an expert, okay? It's just very easy. Like, don't you want to have better health, better indoor air quality, maybe even save some money, and you throw the words USDA certified organic, as you can see on the label here of this laundry booster. Okay, absolute must for nursing homes, assisted living facilities, body workers, various health and wellness professionals as well. And if you're a dentist, you would like to speak to a fellow dentist, Dr. Marvin Heidenbach there in Kansas is actually one of the co-owners and partners of Hypochlorous Company. That's his cell phone there, okay? And dental offices, that's a complete no-brainer, far safer than Cavicide and no chlorhexidine. This, by the way, should get your attention. These are all the proven bad bugs that it kills, what's called the kill list, okay? Viruses not envelope. You can read all this, bloodborne pathogens, mycobacterium. Okay, pretty impressive, guys. All these different bacteria, bad bacteria, okay? Not good gut bacteria, of course. And then even huge stations, if you have multi-locations or you're in maybe even have a dairy or work in livestock cattle, okay? So many uses, like I said, virtually every vertical industry. This is applied for their food service. That's a complete no-brainer, okay? But anyways, I'll let you read this at your own leisure. Again, you can view this quote-unquote PowerPoint, and this is for their pet deodorizer, okay? These are two skincare products. They even have some things for like, I don't know if they're offering the mouthwash. They may be able to stop that. But this is for like your partial or, removable night guard, bite guard, okay, for dental appliances. And so, yeah, it's pretty darn impressive, okay? You can even use it on greenhouses for, line curing, prevent algae growth. And it's, yeah, like it says here, okay? Complete changer, guys. And you can even kill microorganisms if you happen to be in a pinch, you're caught outside in the wild, and you're forced to drink suspect water, gray water. You can pour about 4 to 7 milliliters per gallon. Leave it in there 10 to 20 minutes, just 20 minutes on the safe side. Then you can drink it. At least you won't get diarrhea or Montezuma's revenge, if you know what I mean, okay? And great for the poultry industry as well. I've been trying to follow up with Vital Farms and other that are pretty big, poultry or egg industry people. Okay, and for dairies, like I mentioned earlier, this is their convenient, easy wipes all in one. A must if you are a own a gym, fitness center, or Uber or Lyft driver, or maybe deal with messy kids or babies. Okay. And yeah, complete no-brainer, guys. Also great for medical spas. Like I said, child care centers for sure, prisons and jails, churches, other places of worship to save possibly money and at least their health. Okay. Um, so that's it, guys. We did shut down our Kansas facility, I heard. Got us two smaller locations in Utah as well as New Mexico. And again, it's a very generous 25% commissions. Okay, guys? And then be paid what you're worth. Okay. Be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. And if you think this is Warren Buffett, world's most successful investor, if you think being an entrepreneur is risky, try working for someone else for 40 years and living off Social Security. Okay, I think that says it, guys. Right? Anyways, take care. You can do this on a part-time basis to still keep your main gig. I'll walk you through hold your hand while you get more confidence. And yeah, if you don't care about saving people's health, at least just do it for your family's financial health. Okay, guys? And definitely watch the videos on my How to Own Your Life document. Okay? No accounts payable, receivable to do. They drop ship everything. No headaches. Okay? Simple, easy. Simple, not necessarily easy, I should say. Okay? Got to go through a lot of no's. Okay? Scalable business model, so on and so forth, guys. Okay? And again, it's zero startup investment costs. I don't know how simpler it can get. This is my full 10% off of the Hypochlorous Company affiliate discount link, and that's tryhypo.com/how-to-die-of-nothing. You can view the material safety data sheets, frequently asked questions, compensation plan, both a print and a video version. Okay? So, anyways, take care, guys. Look forward to helping you to escape the 9 to 5. If you have some highly technical questions or also receive a quote for their pool spa jacuzzi, you can also contact their patent holder and chemist, Scott Anderson, outside of Philadelphia on this number, 267-337-5416. This is his cell phone. That's his email, okay? 267-337-5416, okay? Anyways, take care, everybody. Be well. If you happen to own multi-locations, want to be considered for a national account and only then, you can contact their co-owner, and I believe he's still the CEO, Mr. Kelton Cole, on his cell phone at 801-916-1030. Okay, guys? Anyways, take care. Look forward to getting your help to achieve our mission of ridding the world of toxic cleaning chemicals. Complete no-brainer. And again, this will be found at any of these links that you see here. Okay? Take care, everyone. Be well.